Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you guys how you can add the auto velocity in Capcut. So let me show you how. Just tap on your project, select your video and click add in the bottom. So select the video and click style in the bottom. So swipe to the right until you can find the auto velocity effect. Just click waiting for the generating and one check. So see the result and just going to export. So it's basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.